Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use subtotal function in LibreOffice Calc. Alright, now for us to get this done, I'm going to go ahead and highlight everything here. These are the data that we want to make or use. We're going to head over to data, subtotals, and then here what I want to do is find out how much each branch are selling. So I'm going to go ahead and use here branch, select units sold, and then sum, and then hit OK. And there you go. So I found out in the last 5 years, brand A has been selling or has sold 645 units of this particular product. Branch B has sold this particular amount of this particular product. So branch C, on the other hand, has the lowest. So branch C sold 565 monitors in the last 5 years. And yeah, these are the grand sum of everything right here. So yeah, that is basically how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.